Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So आज मैं pick a card reading करने वाली हूँ. What is and the topic is what is going to come next into your life, okay? So the choose your pile intuitively. जो this is pile one. This is a pen. I hope you can see this. This is pile one. Wait. Okay. This is pile two. Okay. Okay. Let me help you to focus more on the piles. This is pile. This is pile two. The sleep balm. This is Nath Habit sleep balm. I just love it. And this is pile three, the 10 rupees coin. Okay, so choose your piled intuitively जो आपको ज़्यादा you're feeling like to choose, so you can choose that pile. And I'll see you next in the reading. I'll give the timestamps on the description box below, sorry. And what I want to say that it's like, just go see the piles, okay, just see the options, and whichever option calls you the most, you can pick that. I'm not going to tell you that don't go according to the pen or this. Which option intuitively is feeling for you that this is yours reading, you can go for that, okay? And in this reading, I'm not going to talk about, I'm going to talk about like what is going to come, okay? Like it can be regarding your career, it can be your love life, it can be your professional life, or whatever it will come up, I'm going to say that. And of course I'm going to say like what is the present circumstances right now, okay? If you feel like you're resonating with the present circumstances, I'm definitely sure then you can move on to the reading and see it. And if you feel like this pile is not resonating, you want to choose some other pile, you can also go. Sometimes it happens like, we are so confused and overwhelmed with everything that is happening in our life that we fail to pick a right pile for us. Sometimes it happens, okay? It happens, so that's not a problem. So you just go and check out some other piles and see the first few minutes resonates with you or not. And let me tell you guys, this is a general reading, this is not at all a personal reading. And whoever comes to me for a reading, I have always told them, and I used to tell them that energy always fluctuates. It can happen that some of the reason reading will resonate with you, some of it will not. It is going to resonate with somebody else because it's a general collective reading, though it's a pick a card pile, but it's not for specific person. And whenever also you go for a specific detailed reading, personal reading also, still it's not like that it's going to happen 100% on that time period, okay? Because energy is something, it always shifts. It shifts according to the circumstances we are currently going through, okay? So it is, sometimes it changes very fast, sometimes it changes quite later on. Suppose somebody has told you is going to happen within next few months or very soon, so it can be delayed by 2 3 years or 2 years. And or it can also come very fast also. It depends upon the energy, okay, and every your current circumstances. So take as it resonates with you guys. It's a general reading. So, okay, without wasting any time, I'll start reading of pile one. So, I need to shuffle the cards. Okay, see you next, guys, in the reading. I'll just give you the timestamps in the description box below and also in the comment box. You can go and skip the timestamps and go to your pile. Okay, bye bye. Okay. Okay, so guys, I was just giving the shuffling cards, so I paused the video for a few minutes. So right now I'm going to check your present energy of pile 1, okay? You have chose this pen. Okay, let's see. Okay. Fighting, stress, schizophrenia, and turning. I hope you can see your card, but it's not an issue if you're not able to see the card also. Still, it's not a issue because I have to read the card, so let me see. Okay, let me first tune you into the energy. From all these four cards, I can see, I can guess very easily that I can feel even like you guys are like in a very chaotic, energy, chaotic and stressful energy. Like you're feeling like very much stressed out with your circumstances, you're fighting with your circumstances, a lot of things are happening in your life, you're fighting with it, whether it can be your home life or your career life. Maybe you don't have a job, or you're doing or you are in a job, or in a relationship, whatever it is. Right now I cannot say what is it you are stressing about. It can be because of many things, because of your work, financial life. It can be your home life, or it can, like your personal, very personal life, or it can be everything related to all the matters. You're very much stressed out, and you are very much frustrated and very much sad also. See, letting stress card is there, like, and see this man, he is trying to blow out, he is blowing out. It means angels are telling you to be light and to blow out, to release all the stress. But see, this man is wearing all the armors and fighting. It means like everything, everyone around you is, like, fighting with you. They are not, they are not accepting whatever you're doing, and every time you feel like you are not accepted by anyone, whether it's your colleague, your boss, your family members, your friends, or your partner, or your husband, wife, whoever it is. You're not accepted, your way of thinking is not accepted, you are fighting. Everybody is like, like you feel like everybody is against you, and actually is everybody against you. Because I can feel this pile is the weirdest of all, and they take a lot of stress, and they are a fighter. Because see, this man, he is wearing so much of armor, he's trying to protect himself, wearing a lot of shields, so that if anybody tries to hurt him, they cannot hurt him, because he is so wearing this strong shield to protect him. He is shielding himself in this strong armor. See the dress he's wearing. See, he has even covered his full face. Only his, the his eyes and his nose are open, so that he can breathe and he can see things easily. But he's in a fighting mode. It means that, like, every time you're defending yourself, of course you're very strong, you're a fighter, you're fighting with all the problems in your life, and still you're stressing out because nobody is there to help you out. The schizophrenia card is there. It's totally a messed up energy, guys. I'm feeling a very messed up energy. Like, you are feeling done, like very frustrating. Still you're fighting, but I can also feel that with this energy. And you now, right now, you're very much tired of this kind of energy. See, these two people are fighting away. Can you see this background? These two people are fighting it. Like, your energy surrounding you is like people are fighting against each other, making all this destructive plans to bully others, to dominate others, to say bad things, evil, and not evil actually, to say bad things, to make others feel bad. All this kind of stuffs are going surrounding you, and people are backbiting against you, whether it's your colleague or your loved ones. Everybody is against you, saying against you. Because why? Because you are so powerful. Why everybody is against you? Because of the reason of this power. Everybody sees you as this fighter, this strong person, and that is the thing. Your defensiveness, your strength, nobody likes it. I feel this card is strength also. Nobody likes a strong person, though everybody wants to be like a person, but like to be like this person, having a lot of strength and courage to fight with everyone and standing all by himself. But nobody wants to fight. But sorry, I mean to say, like, nobody, like, not everybody has got this strength to fight all by himself and standing, when nobody's standing by them or backing them up. Only your strength, you got the strength from your angels and your spirit guides. And this strength is something very intimidating for others. Very, very much intimidating for others. They feel like, okay, this person is so strong, they are jealous of you, but at the same point of time they don't admire this quality of yours. They want this quality of yours, but as they don't have, and they know that they cannot have, that cannot possess this quality of the strength that you do possess, uh, that is the reason they are trying to break your defensive nature, your strong, you know, your strength. They're trying to break it. They want you to be, they want you to crumble, they want you to crumble and get crumbled and crushed down into pieces, okay? And because you are in this armor energy every time, definitely you are not feeling that relaxed, because every time you're in a defensive mode, you're fighting. Now what is going to happen, now what is going to come, who is going to attack? See, you're always ready on a defensive mode. And this is something also you are not liking it, because of course, because we all want to relax and, you know, release stress and have fun and have a cool and calm surrounding. But it's not happening, it's not happening because you have got this very frustrated state of mind because of your surrounding, what is happening inside you, very chaotic energy, very frustrated energy. Like, you know, I'm getting like a four of swords and 10 of wands energy. Yeah, still kind of 10 of wands energy, because I'm feeling like you are done with all this thing, you're not feeling like anymore, you like a lot of stress. And see, that is because of these things angels are telling you, turn on to this meditative state, okay? This meditation stage, what happens in this meditation stage, can you see this people behind, you know, can you see this? These are your angels, these are your spirit guides, your ancestors. When you will turn down, you know, when you turn into yourself, when you dive deep into yourself, and then only you will get the answers that you're seeking, you will get the rest you are seeking, the calmness from within, you know. See, then only you'll be able to connect with your higher self, with your spirit guides, with your ancestors, who wants to give you some important message about your life, about your current circumstances, okay? And so, and angels and your spirit guides and gods want you to be in this meditative state, okay? In this meditative state. So this is your current energy, I can see. Now let's see why I'm doing this current energy, so that you can feel that if this is resonating with you or not, okay? If this resonates with you, I'm sure then the rest of the remaining portion will also resonate with you. Now let me see what is coming next, okay, to your life. Let me shuffle the cards. So sorry guys, I've paused the video because I really need a lot of time to shuffle the cards. So these are your cards, okay? So thinking man in reversed, the hostility is upright, anxiety card in reversed, fifth chakra archangel Gabriel card, then the garden and the gate reversed. Then over here, this is my wonderful, I love this deck, three of swords upright, seven of pentacles reversed, chariot number 3, the empress number 10. Oh god, oh god, 10 of swords, oh upright, Guys, I told you, while I was reading your present energy, like current circumstances, I told you from this fighter and the stressful card, I also told you that I'm getting an energy of 10 of swords and 4 of swords, energy that you are done with all this shit. So, see, this is the energy. So, guys, over here, I can see, I will say, I will be brutally honest about it. I will not sugarcoating anything. What I can see from the reading is that the thinking man in reversed. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, first, let me see the card. See, okay, just give me some seconds. Let me tune into this energy so that I can tell you what's happening. Just give me some time. Huh. Sorry. Actually, I was tuning into the energy because I need some time. Sorry, guys. Okay. Sorry. Just let me arrange the cards. It's no need though. Well, guys, from here I can see this pile. Who have chosen this pile? Please comment down below because I can see this pile. People are very soft-hearted from the core, from their heart. They're very soft-hearted, very nice human being, very practical though, very strong though, but at the same point of time you guys are really really beautiful soul, beautiful and very wise soul, very wise. I can see why I'm saying wise because you have gone through a lot. Though you've gone through a lot, you had a major spiritual awakening, not only one. You had awakening many times, like like one after another, one after another. Every time you had a lot of tower moments in your life, and every tower moment you learned a lot of lesson. You became more wise because this from this 10 of swords, it's like this is not the first time you are hurt. And see, this 3 of swords is also there. See, the 10 of swords, the 3 of swords, the 7 of pentacles in reverse, and the chariot is upright, and the empress is there. Okay, wow, it's really wonderful, guys. Like I'm getting that. Of course, I've told you that you have been hurt a lot and you are a fighter, you have got a lot of strength. And yes, from I have told you, I felt this 10 of 10 of swords energy. And see, over here this 10 of swords came, and this 3 of swords is against. It means like you have been hurt a lot, and still you are, if something in the present, like within a year or a few months, you have been hurt a lot. Like you felt like it's done, like it's like done, you are dead. You are dead, like you are telling yourself, no, I cannot take it anymore, I cannot, it's done. See, this thinking man, why this thinking man is in reverse? When thinking man is in upright, it means that this man is thinking something to do, and he will take action. But when this card is in reverse, it means that right now, as I have told you, in your present energy, you're very chaotic, very stressful. You don't know what to do in your life, which way to go, which path to take, because you're very stressed out, you're not getting any clarity. So that is the reason this thinking man is in reverse. You're not able to think what is happening in your life, which path to take. And even you are not getting which is what is your passion also, you're not able to find out that. Okay, so that is the reason this card is in reverse. You're not able to take action. You need to take action. You have got everything to take action. But though this thinking man is in reverse, I can see that you're not going to stay in this energy because of this Empress card, of course. And there are many other cards that is telling me that though right now maybe this is your energy, you are in this state, you're not able to think because things are very messy around you. But see, and I have told you the fighter card was there. You're a fighter, you have got a lot of strength. This hostilities card, it means that you have a lot of enemies surrounding you in your walk in your, it can be in your work environment, or you are living with those people that doesn't want you good. It can be your sibling, it can be your cousins, it can be your parents, it can be your family members, it can be your loved ones, whoever it is. Okay, I don't know because it's general reading. Take it as it resonates with you. So this I can see that a lot of people are like, talking behind you, plotting something against you, trying to pull you down, but you are carrying this sword and you are just cutting off those people. Now you have God, you understood who are meant for you good and who are not. And so that is with this hostility card, I can feel this. Though this card mean different, I can feel that it's very positive for me, because of the reason right now this when it is upright, I can feel from this in the intuitively that you are cutting off those people from your life, all this karmic kind of people, toxic people out of your life. You're cutting cords with those people with whom you had long term connection with and whom you loved dearly, closely, who were your very close ones, but they were not serving no good to you. Rather, they are just trying to pull you down, make your life more miserable and toxic. So you're cutting those ties with them, okay? Brutally, you are like, you are not being shameful of that, you're not ashamed of that, doing that, you're feeling very proud of it, and you're cutting those cords. And when this anxiety card is in reverse, it means slowly and slowly you are coming out of this energy. See, you were very stressful. Right now when this card is in reverse, it means now you're not going to be anymore in this stressful energy. You're coming out of, you're going to see more beautiful colors, okay? Beautiful colors, because you're done with this 10 of swords energy and this 3 of swords energy. You are done, like something major recently happened in your life. Recently, I'm not talking about within 2-3 days or 1 month or 2 months. It can be within a year, like that, or like something like that. So now you are done with all this kind of energy, so you're cutting. See, the 7 of Pentacles card and is in reverse. It means when this card is upright, it means like you are very sad with your finances and you're trying to grow your finances. But now when this card is in reverse, it means your finances are also improving. When you are in this powerful energy, you're cutting cords with all these toxic people. And this fifth chakra archangel Gabriel card is that it talks about communication, the throat chakra. Your throat chakra will be active and you will start communicating. You will be you will be vibrating from your true authentic self. You will no more be hiding yourself, and you will be speaking up your truth, and you will be cutting talks, whether they feel those people will feel bad or what. You will not care about it, you will give a shit about it. And you're going to be more authentic self. You're going to say your truth, okay? You're not going to hide anymore your feelings, what you feel, what you think. You are going to express it openly from this card upright. Yes, it's very good. It's a communication card, strong communication with the divine. You'll be channeling things. And I can feel that a lot of healers are psychic people are over here in this pile who are viewing this. They got a lot of intuitive messages. They're highly intuitive, high priestess energy kind of, I'm feeling. Of course, Empress card is over here. Of course, there is a high priestess kind of feeling. And I can feel that you have to do something, or you want to do something regarding your throat chakra. Like, it can be communicating, channeling type messages in social media, any kind of Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or any kind of community. You want to communicate your message, or you can be a teacher or a healer or a motivational speaker, something like that you can be, because it is talking about throat chakra. Your career will be your career life, your passion will be regarding throat chakra, okay? And not only this, I can also feel somebody over here will be like, writers, something like that. You have the ability to write something, you'll be channeling things, you will be telling it to the others, and you're also going to pen it down, journal it. You're going to pen it down, whatever dreams and things you are going to get, download messages, and you're going to journal it. And you're also going to write some book or something like that regarding spirituality, human, mankind, awakenings, and all the spiritual stuff, so that you can help others who are going through this dark night of the souls, sharing your own experience, okay? This garden and the gate card, when this card is in upright, it means that this she has got everything. This door is there, but she is not going out. She's not going out to this beautiful world that she wants to explore. She's only watching and thinking. But when this card is in reverse, it's very good. It means no more she is in this thinking position, okay? No more in this thinking position. Yes, I can relate with this thinking man also. Now she will take action. Okay, now when this anxiety is in reverse, Empress card is there, and of course, how can I forget that this Chariot card, this talks about movement, prosperity. You're moving towards prosperity, you're moving towards new beginning, because after 10 of swords it's a rebirth, new beginning. 10 of swords is kind of, after 10 of swords you're going to be die. It's a rebirth card, and you're going to move towards a new beginning. Charity, sorry, not charity, yes, oh god, the word charity came. It means you're going to donate something also, that is good for you. Keep and this chariot card is always about movement. You are moving, you're moving towards prosperity, you're improving. It can, don't think like that, from zero you will be, from starting only you will be in 100 position. No, you will be in a very high position. Slowly you will be progressing. You will see the progress, how much progress, and you will be happy with it, because this is an Empress card. Empress card is a very abundant card. When this garden and the car gate is in reverse, it means you are moving, you are no more contemplating and sitting in this. You are going to open this gate and explore this beautiful field, this meadow that you want to explore, you're thinking to explore. You have this desire to explore this place, this new places. Okay, you will explore. Okay, so this is about movement. And now this Empress card is in upright position. It talks about everything, guys. It talks about your glow up. Why glow up? I'm talking about glow up because this hostility card, we are talking all the toxic people. You're being more your true authentic self. True authentic self. You're speaking up your truth. You're being courageous. You're taking your stand, and you're no more holding yourself. So that is your glow up. You, and this is how Empress is. She's very much nurturing, she's not toxic, she's very wise. Though she has gone through a lot, Empress means she has gone through a lot, she has seen everything, and that made her wise. And she's very nurturing too, though she's in this Empress energy, but she's not dominating. Okay, she's not dominating, she's not that sassy. Okay, like the Queen of Wands. She's very nurturing, very loving, very kind, very generous. That is the reason the word charity came. Of course, you will be giving when you will be very abundant in this abundant energy, in this glow up energy. You will be improving your finances. You will be giving charity. You will be sharing your things with others, because Empress does this. Empress's energy is always about who is like sharing her wisdom, her knowledge, her whatever she has used to share with others, because she is the Empress. She needs to take care of people who are below her. So she is doing that. She is helping her. She will be in this Empress energy very soon. Don't worry, guys. Wonderful energy is coming. No, I can feel it's a very tough energy. I can feel that it's very, very tough energy. I can surely say a lot of healers, psychic people, are very soft-hearted people are there, who is to show that they are very tough, very strong, but actually they are very soft, very nice and beautiful people. Like, they always used to hide their true self. They don't used to show their true self to others. I can feel that. That's wonderful. That's really, really wonderful. Wonderful, guys. I just love this pile viewers. Like, wonderful. Actually, I love all my viewers. It's not like that. But these people are special. Like, I'm getting very wonderful. I can resonate myself with this pile. Like, wow, wonderful. It's really very tough, because going through all these things but still standing strong when nobody is like, uh, you have got nobody's backup, nobody's supporting you, you're standing all by yourself, defending yourself. When you hurt also in this stage also, and also in this three of swords energy also, still you are getting up, you are just pulling all the swords out of yourself, which is very, very painful. And still you are standing up, healing yourself, taking time to heal. And then you are in this Empress energy. You are everybody will be able to see your glow up. You're shining, you shine, your abundant energy, your beautiful energy. Wow, 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 wow. I can say just wow kind of energy from this pile. Extremely wow and beautiful energy. Okay, I just want to, I just want to pull some angel cards, angels advice for you. Angels, please tell me what is the price. Assertiveness. I am going to pull two more cards. Oh, two more cards came. Oh God, see how it resonates, angels. Thank you so much, angels. Oh, angels always helps me. See this assertive card. I told you, you will be very cut. You will be very like sharp. Like you will be telling your authentic self. You will be like it's like Empress is something like it's not like the Queen of Wands energy. Empress is someone who is very nurturing, very nice, very generous, and very elegant lady because she has gone through a lot. It's like you will be telling, you will be speaking your truth in a very assertive way, but not in a very that kind of energy. Like you will not be that very sassy and Queen of Wands kind of energy. That Queen of Wands is very sassy, and she doesn't cares about anyone. It's not like that. You will be very assertive, but you will be saying whatever you want in a very nice and elegant way, so that people will be drawn to whatever you're talking, and they will be just amazed, and they will definitely if they don't agree with you, at least they will not deny you, or they will not come in a debate with you. They will not argue with you. Okay, steady progress. I told you from Seven of Pentacles card in reverse. I told you slowly and slowly you will be progressing. You will be see there will be a steady progress. It will be slow, but you will see the progress. Focus on service. I told you about charity. It's like divine gives me. Sometimes they want me to say something charity. When I wanted to say charity, but charity came. It means I told you you have to donate, and Queen of sorry Empress always used to share their abundance, whatever she have with others. And over here, focus on service. I told you, like, you guys are healers or psychic readers or something, like any kind of healing people. It can be through many things. Okay, so you have to focus on this kind of services. That relates to humanity. It can be helping animals, helping mankind. It's like helping universe to uplifts the vibration of this whole world, of this humanity, of the mankind. Okay, so this is pile one's reading. It's a beautiful reading. Pile one, wonderful. All the best to you, pile one. Like, I can feel your energy. It's really really very painful energy, because from this swords card and the fighting card, I have from the first four cards only, I felt that this pile are healers, because this tells me everything I was feeling intuitively. I'm sure this pile, there are a lot of healers in this pile. Empaths, oh, how can I forget about talking about empaths? Empathetic people who are very nice givers. Empaths are always givers, they never think about themselves. It's like that. So this is the reading of pile 1. I hope it resonates with you, pile 1 people who have chosen this pen. So let's go for the next reading, and please comment down below pile 1 if it resonates with you. Okay, so let's go for the pile 2 reading. Okay, hi pile 2. So those who have chosen this lip balm. Okay, so this is the lip balm. It's very wonderful, guys. So let's see your present energy. Okay, your current energy. Receptivity, transformation, wow, adventure, suppression. Okay, okay, wonderful cards, wonderful cards. Like, this pile is very, I can see this pile is very positive, very positive. I can getting a very good vibe from this pile. Like, you have gone, of course, this pile are all, like, all of my piles are, of course, those who are seeing cards, they are spiritual people. But I can see this pile are spiritual people. They are going through a lot of transformation. Yes, see, there are a lot of ties. You just went through a dark night of the soul. Like, see, See this man, he is very much tied up and with all these ropes and all, and he just trying, just so frustrated. And right now, see, he just, it's like, it's kind of, I can say, 10 of swords energy, not exactly, but kind of, okay, like he's very much tied down and all this, in separation, feeling separation, the frustrated with all the things that is happening around. Not a 10 of swords energy, no, but kind of frustrated energy, like you can say, anxiety, actually not anxiety, like a little bit depressive energy, okay. But it's transformation and adventure card is there, it means they are going through an awakening. Why this is the dark, this card talks me about dark night of the soul. You're going through a major awakening, okay. So that is the reason you're feeling very like very low, you're feeling very low. And you, at this point, you will be receiving lot of messages from your spirit guides, okay, from your angels. You will be seeing, you have maybe recently this pile have started to see all the spiritual kind of things, 1111 number, 1111 number, then 222, 10 triple nine, this kind of numbers I can see. I am feeling it, this kind of numbers, especially 1111, 10, 9, triple nine, all these numbers. You can even see triple two also, but 1111, 10, and triple nine, I'm feeling the most, okay, this kind of numbers. And transformation card is their adventure. This spiritual journeys always talks about adventure, like you will be now, when you are in this journey, you will be exploring lot of new things that you have never explored before. And this adventure is talking about exploring your inner world, okay. Transformation, people, transformation is all about shedding all these things. You will be just breaking all this ties, all this separation, coming out of this depressive energy, and you will be transforming into, from you, into a beautiful butterfly. You will be coming out of your cocoon, and you will be exploring new things that you have never explored before. Adventure is also talks about when you are in the spiritual journey, you will be receiving a lot of messages from the divine. You're receiving a lot of messages from the divine. Right now, it's, I can feel like your crown chakra is very active, and of course I'm feeling the third eye also, like very active, and you're receiving a lot of intuitive messages from divine. Very, this blue color is I'm seeing this, I'm feeling this crown chakra very active. And adventure, you're exploring your inner world, you're exploring inner world. See, lot of colors are there, these colors I can see: green, yellow, red, all this chakra alignment. Of course, this purple color, yellow color, oh wow, all the 7 colors are there, colors of chakras I can see from this card. You're coming into balance, you're coming into alignment, all the chakras are coming into alignment. Of course, when I saw this crown chakra card that is open, you're open to receive all the messages from universe. It means that all of your chakras are aligning, it's coming into balance, it's coming into alignments, okay. That is wonderful, guys. It's a very wonderful energy, though maybe you are feeling little bit low, but I'm not getting a lot of painful energy, because you have done that course, okay. You are transforming now. It's beautiful energy, I'm getting a very beautiful energy. I'm loving this energy, wow. Very good, very good pile, very good pile too. So this is the present energy of yours. I'm sure the the what will be coming next, it's going to be amazing, sure. Let me shuffle the cards, okay. I told you, wonderful energies are going to come. Wonderful energies. Hey. I'm very happy. Yay. Oh God. It's wonderful. Guys, I have told you now, you'll be seeing a lot of 999, or like very spiritual pile 7. Oh, how I forgot. I can see number 7 also. You might be seeing number 7 also. It's a very spiritual number. Talks about spiritual journey. See, the one number 9 is over here. Then walking away card number 9 is over here. Then I told you about number 1111. See, 838 number 11 is here. See, 38. See, Then lot of numbers. See again, 8 plus 8, 28 card is there, and again it talks about 10. I told you that you will be seeing 10, 10, 9, 9, 9, or 11, 11, all this kind of numbers. I'm also feeling a number 7. I don't know, it's not over here, but I'm feeling a number 7 also. See, I told you, you are coming out of this, like this depressive energy, this depressing energy. It means you're walking away, though you are a little bit heartbroken from this energy. Only I can say that you're a little bit heartbroken and all. Like, of course, this suppression, sorry, this depression and suppression energy talks about heartbroken, not feeling good and happy, but you're walking away from it, you're walking away from it. And see, and victory card is there. It means you're winning. You're taking action for everything. You're taking action for everything. Everything, you're like, you're taking way. Just hold on, guys. And the fourth chakra, heart chakra is healing. Your heart chakra is healing. Okay, your heart chakra is healing. You're healing heart chakra, and when you'll be healing your heart chakra, after that you'll be coming out of those energy, like, transformation card is there. I told you, this transformation card. See, this transformation card, it talks about you'll be shedding the old skin. You will be letting go all those past energies, heartbroken energies, because Archangel Raphael will be healing your fourth chakra, that is your heart chakra, and you will be transforming into a beautiful being. Okay, you will be healing your heart chakra, and after that you will be walking away, because as you are done with all those low energies, so you will be walking away from those energies. It's kind of little bit similar with pile 1, but pile 1 energy was very, 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 very tough energy. I am not telling it's similar to pile 2, no, not at all. I'm saying that, like, you are also walking away from the resentment kind of energy. Okay, you are transforming into a beautiful being, and you're taking action. See, from this adventure card is there, you're taking action, you're exploring new things, you'll be alignment, you will be into balance, and you will be taking action. Whatever action, whatever thing you want to do, maybe it related to your career life or your work life or your present current circumstances, whether it can be your family members or your loved ones. Whatever it is, you will be taking action, whatever, in which path you want to take action to. This path is also very highly spiritual path, but I am not feeling this. Though this pile is also very, very spiritual, but I'm not getting that you guys will be doing something into spirituality, no. But it can be something different. It can be related to your passion, anything, but not related to spirituality or healing people. It's not like that. Something different you will be doing, but you will be very, very much victorious. And of course, this temple path card, it talks about spirituality, surrendering. See this card, see this receptivity card. It means you have surrendered everything, and that is the reason you're very much connected with the divine, and divining is sending you a lot of channeled messages as your crown chakra is open. Try to decode those messages. They can send you messages through your dreams, through any songs, any kind of things that you'll be able to understand. You can correlate and you can decode it. Okay, so let me pull out some more cards from tarot deck. Okay. Wait. What happened? Why pile two people? God. Everything changed. Okay, my whole scenario changed over here. Okay, guys. Ah, now I can see something very strange. Okay, guys, now I have to again see something new, because from this all these cards I'm getting some more other different messages, because when some new cards come, they have their own energies also, so they change. Sometimes they also merge up with all this energy and change the meaning and whole meaning of the whole card, whole everything, all the whole scenario, they change the meaning. Some cards are so powerful. Okay, it's not negative, but I can see, like, you guys are financially struggling. Lot of, I can see something related to your career. Somebody ditched you in your career, and you are also being ditched in your personal life also, like in your love life also. Maybe somebody left you because of your money. Because see this, there is a heartbroken card is there, and walking away an archangel card is there. But still, from all this card, whatever, what is coming next, or it has already happened, I'm feeling that it has already happened with you. I'm not feeling that it's coming next. I think it has already happened, and now you are going through this energy, and this energy will come soon. What I'm feeling from this card is that, guys, like King of Cups in reversed, King of Swords in reversed, Tower card in reverse, the Star card in reversed. Okay, let me just first explain all these things, this whole set of cards. So what I see, that's from this heartbroken card and this three cards in reversed, I can feel that something has happened in your life, like monetary loss. I'm getting a monetary loss. Maybe somebody was ill, you lost, or you had to pay a lot of bills for that, or you had a great loss in your business, or somebody ditched you. Are doing business with your friend, you guys were in a partnership, but your friend ditched you, and you had a lot of loss. You're kicked out, or it can be something like that. You're suddenly, because of this pandemic, you're kicked out of your company you're working with. You're fired from your job, and you're having a lot of monetary loss. And you are a very soft person, you were not able to say anything about, you're not able to, though you tried to speak out, but you were not able to. When it happened, when all this heart broke, all this whole scenario happened, you were not able to say anything. You were so weak, you were so like overwhelmed, and so much taken aback with the fact that it was kind of like shocking for you. See, though this tower card is in though reverse, it means that you are right now coming out of it. The star card is also in reverse. It means you were a star. It was upright. You were very happy in a very prosperous job, or in a prosperous business where you had lot of money. But something, a great loss happened, or somebody dished you. I'm getting like somebody cheated you. I'm not feeling that you had a loss just like this. You were cheated, or you were like plotted, somebody plotted against you and helped you, and that is the reason you were kicked out of that position, of that job, or something like that. Like, I'm getting a backstab energy. Okay, somebody backstabbed you, and you were so much heartbroken, because you used to trust that person very much, and you were not able to say a single thing to that person. You were so much taken aback with the whole world, so much overwhelmed with everything. You're very much heartbroken. That is, I can feel that you have gone through. It's not coming. You have gone through it, and now you are healing. You are trying to heal from this. You're trying to get over this. See, this tower card is in reverse. When it's upright, talks about it is going to happen. Soon a tower moment is going to happen. When this card is in reverse, it means that this already has happened in your life. This already has happened in your life, that made you to be in this state. Okay, in this surrendering state. That is the reason you are in this this is the reason of your present energy. This past energy is the reason of your this present energy. Okay, so now you are healing, and you're walking away. You're trying to release everything. And see, that is the reason you're surrendering to the god. Everything. Right now you don't know where to go, how, what to do things, but you want to take action. You will take action. You will walk away from all this shit thing that has been done to you, once you are healed. And as you have surrendered, definitely divine archangel Raphael is going to heal you. By the time you will be healed, and you will be coming out of this low energy, very depressive energy, very dark energy. See this dark, it's very messy, very feeling very cluttered, very tied down, very bogged down. You will not be feeling, you will be taking action, you will be exploring this green. See this horse card, it's very powerful. Horse talks about fast movement, fast action. This green field, it's about prosperity and abundance. Now you are moving, you're walking away, you're not seeing, though you're looking what has happened still, but you will not be, you will be moving forward. Just when you are leaving, you are just looking back, that this has happened to me, you will be feeling bad, and then after that you will be moving toward this beautiful light. Okay, and you are moving this back, and see this black and white, it okay, 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 okay. I'm getting another intuitive message, is that soon you're going to get your partner who is going to help you. See, there is an yin and yang, I'm feeling from this current yin and yang kind of energy, a very loving kind of energy. It can be like you'll be getting a very loving partner, you're going to get with whom you're going to tie a knot, or that person is going to help you in your career. Somebody you're going to meet that is going to help you in your career to move forward. They will see you, they will be active, they will act as a mentor and help you to move forward. Okay, this person is going to be very positive, and it's not necessary there will be a person, but I'm feeling intuitively there will be, for some people of course, there will be a person that is coming to your life that is going to help you in your career. Okay, and of course you, their victory card is there, so there is no need to tell, you will be like you will be winning through all these things, all this dark night of the soul, all this dark tunnel you're going through, you will come out, you will see the light. And there is adventure card, it talks about exploring things, of course. And of course there is another chariot card again, it talks about movement, it talks about movement. Okay, it talks about movement, it means like you are moving away, from this toxic energy, you're moving forward. Okay, you're moving forward. And see, eight of pentacle cards, of course, when I told you had monetary loss, you're trying to build again. Eight of pentacles is not a bad card, guys. Like, it is like only two less than 10 of pentacles and 9 of pentacles. It's a very abundant card. Like, it talks about really, really hard work, a lot of hard work you have put in, you have put in a lot of hard work, you're still working on it, on your pentacles, on your work and in your finances, and you will be getting this victory. Okay, you will be coming victorious, because this action card is there. And let me tell you, bottom of the deck, oh god, guys, trust me, I haven't seen this. See, bottom of the card deck is, there is a caring connection. Oh god, I told you there is an yin and yang connection, yin and yang energy from this deck, from this card I'm feeling. So not for everyone, but for most of the people, I can see that yes, somebody is going to help you in your career, is going to give you a hand, their helping hand. Okay, and bottom of the deck is hermit card. Okay, from this deck, this hermit card, it talks about healing energy. Right now you are you are healing yourself, that is very good, you are healing yourself, that is very, very good energy, wonderful energy, guys. Okay, let me get some advice from angels. Life purpose. Okay, change in direction, see only love. Okay, god, it's so much resonating, guys. Right now I'm feeling like you can see pile 1 also. I'm sure most of those who have chosen pile 2, maybe you were a bit confused between pile 1 and 2. So pile 1 you can also come and see pile 2, and pile 2 also you can go and check pile 1. There are a lot of messages, a lot of things you can you will be see that it's resonating with you, or the whole pile will resonate you. It can also happen that, because a lot of energies are very similar. First of all, I thought maybe it's not that tough energy, but I can see yes, you have gone through also a lot of things. but because money is something, when we lot of loss so much of money, it makes us so frustrated, because it's very essential to live in this 3D world. It's very essential. So angels are telling you giving and receiving. So right now there was not reciprocity, there was give and take was not there. See, give and take was not there. So now you will be balanced, and you will be giving, and as well as you will be receiving. First you were givers, you were only givers. Pile one or were also givers only. So over here you were also previously were very much giving, you were a giver. So right now you will be in this energy, like you will be giving and you will receiving equally. Okay, it is like angels are telling you, and you will be in this energy, because this I can feel from this card, not adventure, from this colors, that you will be aligning life purpose. You will be falling into your life purpose, something to write, whatever. It's like angels are helping, and this wise person is writing something, and angels are telling them to write those things, helping down to write those things. Of course, some of people over here can be writer, okay, blogger, vlogger, you'll be writing your blogs and all. See only love, lot of love will be coming. No errors, whatever you have done in the past, it's past, so don't have to see the past things. Change in direction, of course you will be changing the direction you were pursuing previously. Okay, you will not be doing the same thing what you used to do previously in your past, past time, or previous time, whatever you have, whatever career you used to pursue or you have pursued, you will be not doing the same thing, you will be doing something different. There is a change of direction also. So it's a wonderful reading pile to those who have chosen this sleep balm. So all the best to you guys, and you can go and check pile 1 also, it can resonate with you. I wish you all the best and healing energy to you all, love and light to all of you guys. Take care of yourself, bye bye, and please comment down below if it resonates with you. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you soon. So pile 3 who have chosen this 10 rupee coin, let's see your present energy, current energy. Okay, aloneness, okay, moment to moment, okay, experiencing, traveling, transformation. Okay, very wise card. All of my piles are very spiritual, especially pile, I'm not going to say this time, all of my piles are very, all of 3 piles are feeling like very very spiritual pile. Okay, all of you are going through awakenings, lot of awakening. This part is also going through a lot of awakenings, like the hermit mode. This aloneness card is talking about hermit mode, and this card I'm feeling like this person is, whoever chosen this pile, you have gone through a lot, you have seen many things. It's like transformation is there. I think you have transformed. It's not like you're transforming, you have transformed into a beautiful butterfly, and now more you're going to be spreading your wings and flying. Okay, experiencing again with this aloneness card, you have experienced a lot of gain, you have gained a lot of wisdom, and that made you very calm, very happy, very soft. Moment to moment you are living your present. You right now, it's like, you are living your present, you're very happy, you're transforming, your people are saying you glow up. And traveling, when this traveling card talks about I'm feeling in, you are in a spiritual journey, in a spiritual path. This sky pile energy, it's like they're highly spiritual, like they've ascended to a very high level, higher level ascension. I can feel from this pile have ascended into a very higher dimension, very higher level. You have a very good communication with the spirit guides. You guys are very very wise, wisest of all 2 piles, and that is the reason, as you've gone through a lot, uh, you guys have gone through a lot, and that is the reason right now you are in a very happy, like, like how to live the life, in a correct way. And all these things, all the wisdom you've gathered, all the knowledge you've gathered, what you have learned is that you have to be very wise, and you have to live, you have to be happy whatever you have, and you have to be very grateful for everything that you have, acknowledging the things that you have and moving forward. Okay, and that is the reason you, and slowly you're transforming, and people are seeing your glow up. And it's not like that you are in a very resentment energy. No, you are a very happy energy, very childlike energy I'm getting. Okay, very childlike energy, highly spiritual though, very childlike energy though, but they are into a very higher level. They have ascended to a very higher level, very higher level. Okay, wonderful, beautiful energy. Okay, let's see. Okay, I can think from this cards that you want to take action. You want to take action, but you're thinking you're not taking action. Because why you're not taking action? Because of the reason of this temperance card in reversed, this two of cards and this two of wands card. And the main reason is this. Okay, why? Because there is a lot of imbalance in energy, tied down, feeling tied down. You are feeling like you're not able to take any decision, lack because of fear. This first chakra, Archangel Michael card is there. It talks about root chakra, instability, fear. Okay, so I'm getting that you're feeling very tied down. You want to move, you want to take decision, you want to take action, but there is a lot of imbalance, and you're not able to understand what to take, which decision, which path to go, what to take. Okay, there is two of wands, there is two of wands card. Okay, so you cannot, you're not able to decide, you cannot able to decide what is happening around you. Okay, so this is Queen of Swords. So Queen of Swords reversed. Again, Queen of Swords upright says, she's not used to take anybody's BS. She cuts off all those ties, all those toxic people, all those things out of his life. She is very cutthroat. She doesn't repent for all these things, because she is though very wise, very nice, but she never takes anybody's BS. If you're going to mess with her, she's going to say, just dude, get out of my life, I'm not going to entertain all these bullshit things. Okay, she's like that. Okay, but this is in reverse. It means you're very feeling very stuck, you want to do something but you are not. See this garden and the gate card in reverse. She wants to go out, the gate is opened, she is willing to, she has got this abundance in her. See this beautiful flower, this beautiful girl, she's looking out, she wants to go out.